In this video, I'm going to share a super awesome website with you that makes around $5 to $10 million per year. And surprisingly, you can make the same numbers or perhaps more than them with almost zero effort compared to what they put in on their site. Yes, almost zero effort, but with potentially the same results or more. Well, I'm not saying you'll become a millionaire overnight unless you win the lottery, but you'll be on the right track to make a great living using the power of the internet, all by sharing your knowledge about anything you love. I will share the 6-step method with you in this video, and we are giving away free access to the key softwares that will make you money in the system. Links are in the description. Stay tuned. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we get started, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts, as this way you will inspire us to make more how to make money online videos, and you will get notified when we upload our next how to make money online 2022 video. So step number 1, all you need to do is to share your knowledge about anything you love. If you love gaming, share your gaming knowledge. If you love cooking, share your cooking knowledge. If you love anything, share your knowledge about it. About me, I love hardware. I love mobile phones, computers, cameras, microphones. I'm always curious about the latest upgrades in GPU, CPUs, and motherboards. You know me, I'm an online entrepreneur, always looking for new and innovative ways on how to make money online. Just like you, I'm always looking to explore new opportunities. And you know what? I think I can help you through this video. I know it because that's what I was doing when I found this awesome website. This website name is Tom's Hardware. It's a website about computer hardware, gaming, and more. Look how clean, organized, and user-friendly this website is. I was curious how much money they make. Step number 2, I simply went to similarweb.com, and it turns out they're making $5 to $10 million per year from around 15 million visitors. This revenue is just from AdSense. They make much more from affiliate promotions and brand deals. Okay, which is good and understandable as they make less than $1 per visitor, and luckily we make $5 per visitor from our promotion. But the reason I'm mentioning this website and our $5 per visitor is not to make you feel bad, but to show you what's possible when it comes to making money online. Wait, Mosh, are you talking about making websites, writing content? Well, I want to be honest, I hate building websites. I hate writing content, and I don't have time for domain hosting server. That's so boring. I just want to push a few buttons and make money. Well, if you're saying this, I get you, and don't worry, my software Maven will solve this problem in just 3 minutes. Free access links are in the description. What we do with Maven is copy free website links, spin the wheel of built-in artificial intelligence, and make changes to match our tastes, and in 3 minutes we make money-making website without writing a single content, without domain, and even without a hosting server, all covered by Maven. It's free to try. Go get it from the link in the description. Step number 3, since traffic or visitors are the secret to all the money on the internet, aren't you curious about where they get their traffic from? I was curious too, so I look at their marketing channel. Turns out they get around 45% of their social traffic from Reddit and 37% from Facebook, which is great. All this social traffic sends a signal to Google that this website is a popular and authority website, so Google should rank their page, and Google does it, and they send a lot of free traffic. Make sense? Don't worry about traffic. My software Epic will solve this problem forever. Free link is in the description, and I will show you how Epic works in a moment. But to make Epic get you thousands of traffic, you need to watch the step number 4 very closely. So in step number 4, we will go deeper to see which content is bringing them the most traffic. So go to Ubersuggest and paste their website link. Go to the traffic section and then click the top pages by traffic and see which contents are getting them the most traffic. You can see the article Best Graphics Cards for Gaming in 2022 is the highest visited blog post. More than 90,000 visitors a month. Woohoo! Woohoo! You can use the free limited version of Uber Suggest to do the same analysis, but you need to have a paid version for in-depth analysis as you see right here. But don't worry, I will put the analysis results in the description so you can use them without getting their premium subscription. So you are getting these results at $0. You're literally getting money at $0. This is the perfect reason to hit the like button right now and share this video with your social media contacts, friends and family. Go hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. I'll give you a second. Done? Alright, let's get back. Make sure to watch this video till the end because I'm solving all your problems. You see, they make less than $1 per visitor while we make $5 per visitor. Now imagine if we get these 90,000 visitors a month, how much money would that be? Hypothetically, that would be a hopping $450,000. Even 10% of this amount is $45,000. Not bad for a month's income, huh? Now I will tell you how you can make money like this. But before that, remember I told you in the beginning, you will make money by sharing what you love. They are doing exactly the same and they are making a lot of money in the process. They are sharing their knowledge about gaming and hardware, which is something people are interested in. This is why their website is doing so well. So step number 5, now let's solve your traffic problem forever. To be honest, it will take some time to get authority like Tom's Hardware, and Google will take some time to rank your pages as well. Social media traffic will be faster, but it will still take some time. But how do you make money right now? I mean, starting today. And how do you make $5 per visitor like us? So to answer this question, I browsed YouTube using my phone. So look at my phone. I use the same keyword to search on YouTube and look at the video. 1, 2, 3, 4, and immediately after 4 videos starts the shorts feed. So these are the shorts feed, and shorts videos are just under 1 minute long. Now let me show you. Most of these videos are published like a few days ago or a few weeks ago or maybe a month or so. So the first video has 2,700 views. Second video has 119,000 views. Third and fourth, 77,000 views and 2,500 views. The next two are 78,000 views and 50,000 views, 6.9 million views and 1.9 million views, 55,000 views and 12 million views. Do you know how they are getting so many visitors and views? Number 1, YouTube is promoting shorts videos these days because shorts is a new feature on YouTube, and YouTube is trying to make shorts popular to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. Number 2, when you cover a hot topic like this, you know, it gets 90,000 visitors a month to Tom's Hardware website. It helps YouTube get more new viewers to their website and helps make current viewers stay on YouTube for a longer period. So it's a win-win for YouTube, for us, and of course for the visitors. Wait, Mosh, are you asking me to make videos? Well, just to make myself clear, I hate being on camera. I hate writing script. I hate shooting videos and I hate editing. I just want some push button software to make money right now. If that's what you're saying, I hear you, and that's why we built a software called Epic. Epic takes care of everything. Script writing, making videos without camera. It gives you voice over from natural text to voice feature. It gives you artificial intelligence to write your script, rewrite any text from anywhere, and it makes videos from photos or images. By the way, you can get free access and try Epic from the link in the description. Go get it right now. And now let me show you how Epic works. Let me show you how easy it is to make videos or shorts using Epic. Click the Create New button, name your project, select the type of video you want to create, find an article that you want to take elements from, copy image URL and paste it right here, and immediately the image is imported. How cool is that? That's how easy it is to import any element to Epic from free links. Just copy and paste. Zoom, rotate or pan a bit to add a little drama in the image. Add a little text here to demonstrate what we are talking about. You can also fetch images from Pixabay, adding another one. little panning and zooming to give it a nice look. Okay, we are done here. Now we need some voiceover. We want to use this text as voiceover text or script. I'm going to add the text here on the video or in the video slide as well, so the viewers can read what we are talking about, and change the settings of the text. Let's change the color opacity of the text, change the color of the text, position the text a little bit to make it nice. Now this text is not ours, so we want to rewrite it and make it our own. So for that, go to text generator and use the AI to rewrite this text. Now we're going to use this text as our voiceover script, and we can upload our voiceover if we have a sound file. We can record it directly from our microphone, or we can use this awesome natural text to audio feature. So click this add button, choose your favorite voiceover from this drop down list and paste the text here. Then simply click this button to create your voiceover by the software. How cool is that? Go to text to audio section and click add to this voiceover, and the voiceover is added in the video. This is one tiny video that you have created. You can make it as long as possible. You can add as many elements as you want. You have full freedom to change anything you want. Click this add new button to add another video, and these are all our videos ready, done for you to use anytime you want, or you can use blank or use any of our templates. When you are happy with your work, click the render button and the video will be created in the background. And once the video is rendered and ready, you will get notified through email. Finally, step number 6, go to the description, take Maven and Epic right now and start using them and make money starting from today. This is the foundation of internet marketing. It's an evergreen system. It always works. Go share the knowledge about the topics you love and drive all the traffic from YouTube using Epic. Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, share this video with your friends and family. Everybody will learn how to make money online the easy way and the right way, and everybody gets access to my software for free, and everybody will get notified when we will upload our next how to make money online video, and we will see you in the next video.